Good morning, big strappers. Well, we stopped last night in Fargo, North Dakota at the Petro and got all cleaned up, shiny as a new penny now. Got the truck washed, had something to eat, and we're in Clearwater, Minnesota now this morning. One of the nicest truck stops up in this area, and it's a Petro. So we're gonna go inside and have a look around. They've got a great little deli counter here, and when I come through here, I always get a roast beef sandwich on a bun or something like that. Something I can eat later. The food's excellent. The restaurant's great. This is a really nice truck stop. It's one of my favorites. We should be in Janesville, Wisconsin tonight, and we'll see how that goes. Whether I can go right in and load, or whether I have to hang out for a while for a loading appointment. I'm not sure which yet, but we'll find out. But let's go check out this truck stop. It's worth seeing. A little eating area here. Here's the store full of beautiful stuff. Their bakery through there. There's the deli counter.
She says 6 and 6, please.
Oh, this looks too good.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, look at this. Hi. I'm good. How are you? I'm just taking a few pictures of your restaurant because it's such a good restaurant here. Welcome. Oh, we even have a magazine rack and a bookstore.